So guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to do the crop opening transition inside Adobe Premiere. And to do that we are going to use the crop effect. I have here a sequence with a video and we are going to go to the effect panel right here. And if you guys don't see it right here, go to the workspace and choose the effect workspace right here and you will see it in this side. So I'm gonna search in the effect panel for crop effect and you will see it right here under video effects, transform crop, and I'm gonna click and drag it to the video clip. And as you guys can see here in the effect controls, we can see that the crop effect has been added to the clip. So guys, let me explain what that effect does to your video. It basically crops your video from the left, the top, and the bottom and the right. So let's just try the left and top, and here you can choose the right and the bottom. And let me just reset the crop effect. In this transition we are going to only use the top and the bottom. So what we are going to do is to click on the top and change it to 50, and also go to the bottom and also 50. So essentially putting the top at 50 and the bottom at 50, it crops your video and you will see this black screen. So now we are going to do the keyframe. So we are going to press on this stopwatch and then also on the bottom. And we are going to go 2 seconds further in the video, or 3 seconds. And we are going to adjust the top at, make it back to 0, and also the bottom to 0. So now we have the crop opening effect. Let's see how it looks. It looks good, but guys, if you want to make this cinematic look, you can just change it. Instead of making these keyframes to go to 0, you can just make them like, I think the best number is 7 for this effect, and also this, the bottom, we're gonna change it to 7. And now let's check it how it looks. And that is very simply how you can make an opening crop transition. And if you want to do a close crop transition, you're just going to copy these keyframes by clicking and dragging and pressing on the keyboard Ctrl+C, and go to the last seconds of the video and press Ctrl+V. And now you're gonna select and drag the first keyframes and you're gonna copy them and go to the end of the video and you're gonna press Ctrl+V for paste. So now let's check the video and how it looks. So guys, that is pretty much how you can do the crop transition effect inside Adobe Premiere. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would be grateful if you can smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video.